Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a very original, really well running bike. Engine is really good on this bike, and what I would call a bike needing a little bit of attention on cosmetics, but other than that, really lovely original RD 125. Very hard to get in any sort of condition, and this one having what I think is the most important, that the engine is really sweet. I mean, it's one thing to have everything, all the parts, lovely condition, everything mint, but the engine not working is nearly a useless bike. So condition wise, from the front then, front tire is good, as you can see lots of thread. Front mudguard is the original one, but has signs of pitting in it. The front forks then are in good condition, no cracks on the fork seals either side. Up down through the forks then, all very good. Left and right indicators original, same with the original front headlamp. Up over the top then, only 4,000 miles on the clock, and this ignition here fitted too. Left and right hand indicators and or odometers, or not odometers, oh my god, the writing on the left and right hand side for the handle area is in really nice condition, no real signs of fading on it either side. Then to the left hand side of the tank, we have a couple of dents here and marks throughout, which is common throughout this tank. As you can see, blemish there. The fuel cap is really nice and good condition. There's a few blemishes on that side, which we'll go over on the right hand side of the bike. Left hand side, original side casings, engine area is good, minor signs of rubbing on the left hand side here. Chain guard is original and present. Good exhaust, it is scraping down the left hand side, and side stand only. There's a fuel filter been fitted on the fuel line, and all of the fuel on off reserve is all working. Engine is in really nice condition. Choke is on the left hand side here as well, with that working too. Seat is in really nice condition, even has original Yamaha at the back, and the pinning of the chrome on the left and right hand side is done really well. Original rear indicators as well in red, as well as the rear brake light and reflectors with a ZV plate. Rear tires in tip top condition. There's the twin exhaust for the two-stroke twin. Drum brakes front and rear, not the front disc brake variation of this bike. It's actually the two drums are more desirable and rare. It has the pillion pegs both on the left and right hand side. Engine area is pretty good. There are some signs of the black lacquer here coming off the engine area. This is rubbing from the feet. The exhaust then has a couple of marks on this right hand side as well. Right hand side side casings are in present and in okay condition, marks along all the sides as well. Tank here as well, a large dent here and a few minor ones up the top, as well as some markings. You've got the chassis number along the side here, which are matching to the engine, and we're going up to the front then. That's really it for the visual analysis. As I said, a bike in really good running condition. If you really wanted to go mad with it, you could just respray the tank and two side panels, and you could have something looking really quite mint, with a really good engine on it. But a really good running bike, really good example of these bikes, is not to be taken in lessening this bike. It is a really good example of this bike, and so we'll see that now on the ride along video.
Okay, we're on to the RD 125. I just think it needs a choke here. If I could turn on the ignition, that'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Okay, so we're away on the RD 125. Mechanically, this bike is mint, really good condition. Runs really nicely. You see there, after I copped on and turned the ignition on, first kick, nearly no choke at all. Turn on, we're going right here actually, sorry. Oh yeah, I forgot about how deadly that front brake is on this. Have to be careful with it. A really, really tight little bike. Can't go too fast, it is just willing me on. But I know that these neighbours around here won't find that too attractive to do around their estate. So we'll take it easy. Make sure that's positioned nicely. I'm only hoping to God that the GoPro is recording properly. I have a new mic, and if the quality is pretty bad, as in to hear my voice, it's because the mic didn't record properly. It's been a real pain in the ass. GoPro, you really need to sort it out. Like the motovlogging is a big part of the scene that use GoPros. I'll just turn around here. I usually go up to the top and do a turnabout, but it's that learner driver lever to it. A big part of the people who buy GoPros are kind of doing motocross, you know, action sports, so they want to have a mic inside of a helmet, and I have to buy 10 different things to bloody get a thing working. And then even when you get it to go and get it to try and work, it's fucking an absolute bloody nightmare to get going. But anyway, back to the bike. Really, really beautiful little thing. Very rare and hard to find in kind of running condition like this one is. You come across a lot of them that are just kind of lookers, but aren't so much runners. They're a real pain in the ass to get going. But this one is quite the opposite. I mean, aesthetically it's not absolutely mint as you've seen, but really those are the nice things to do to a bike. Nice things to do to the bike are kind of always aesthetics. You can see the power coming into the two-stroke engine as we go up through the revs. We'll get her into neutral here, if we can get the I'm being fairly stupid. There we go. There, I shouldn't have. I stalled it there. So let me just put her on the side stand here now. I'll show you indicators and all that. So that's left side end indicators, right hand side indicators, horn. If we can get the lights here, I'm not sure how to turn on the lights, but I'm sure they're working. Brake lights, as you can see, working on both rear and front. Really, really nice. Superb little bike. Let me just get a picture here for the thumbnail, and bear with me. There we go. And that's really it for the RD 125. Seats really good, running absolutely mint. Both cylinders going really, really nicely. And as you can see, as for a two-stroke, this is as good as you're going to get mechanically. ZV plate, really, really nice. Really, really nice little bike. So that's been it for the Yamaha RD 125 Twin. If you have liked the video, please do leave it a like. Also comment down below what you think of the RD 125, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you're looking to reach out to us on our social medias, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Instagram and Facebook, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com.